Meet the family of brush cutters from Blue Diamond Attachments. When you've got a job that requires a site to be prepped, cleared, or maintained, you need attachments you can trust to get the job done right the first time. At Blue Diamond Attachments, we've got your back. Our brush cutters are purpose-built to provide optimal performance on your skid and compact track loader, mini loader, or excavator, providing you exactly what you need to get on to the next phase of your project. Blue Diamond brush cutters are engineered for specific applications on different sizes of machines with different power levels. So whether the job is large, small, or somewhere in between, Blue Diamond brush cutters are designed to handle it. All of our brush cutters come with the Blue Diamond Satisfaction Guarantee and are backed by a 1-year warranty. Blue Diamond Attachments family of brush cutters, built strong, built practical, built for you.